Assalamualaikum. Today we want to present about topic 2, communication skill for university student. So for the introduction, in the university settings, effective communication skills are the foundation for successful academic and personal interaction. Verbal communication is key for expressing ideas in class, discussion, presentation, and group project. At the same time, body language is crucial for conveying emotion and intention. These skills are not for academic. They are vital for building strong relationship with classmates and faculty, which contribute to a positive learning atmosphere. Moreover, beyond university life, effective communication is a fundamental skill for networking, career growth, and preparing for the future professional challenges. So next for the objective of our topic is, firstly, we will explore about verbal communication on how it helps express thought effectively, and then we will turn our attention to body language and how it affect we connect to others. Next, we are going to talk about the strategies. We will discussing how to boost public speaking skill, to become a better listener, and engage in awesome group discussion. So the main goal here is to give a well-rounded set of communication skill that not only help in academically, but also shape us for the future success.
Hi everyone, I'll be talking about the significance of nonverbal communication in academic and social contexts. In academic context, nonverbal communication takes on a significant role influencing classroom dynamics and student-teacher interactions. Educators who employ engaging body language, such as making eye contact, using expressive facial expressions, and employing gesture, have the capacity to capture their student attention effectively. This engagement enhances the learning experience by creating a more interactive and stimulating atmosphere. Nonverbal cues also play a crucial role in student participation within the academic setting. Students' nonverbal behaviors, such as their level of engagement or disinterest during lectures, provide valuable feedback to educators, offering insight into their comprehension, interest, and overall experience. Within social context, nonverbal communication assumes a central role in shaping interpersonal dynamics and facilitating conflict resolution. This nonverbal mode of interaction proves indispensable for both initiation and maintenance of significant relationships. Simple nonverbal acts such as a warm smile, maintaining eye contact, and mirroring body language can substantially enhance connections and trust. This nonverbal gesture convey a sense of openness, receptivity, and empathy, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere.
Issues and challenges. Some of the issues are language barrier and misinterpretation of tone and intent. So for the language barrier can lead to difficulty communicating effectively with each other. It also may hinder their academic performance, comprehension, and communicating among local peers. So for the next issue is misinterpretation of tone and intent. This issue can lead students with misunderstanding in communication. It can also causes upset feelings, disagreements, and breakdowns in relationship. To overcome these issues, we found that exchange program can allow students to practice their language skills. By that, lecturers also can teach the students about cultural differences, where it might help them develop cultural awareness, and this helps to avoid misunderstanding in communication among university students. Lastly, they should also practice active listening in texting conversation. For example, they should give their whole attention to the talk and eliminate distractions that could interfere with misunderstanding.
So this report provides an analysis of gender distribution based on survey responses with a focus on understanding the perspective of participants. And this survey collected data from a diverse group of respondents, with females comprising 73%, 33.3% of the sample and males representing 26.7%. The majority of survey responses were provided by female participants, indicating a significant representation in the surveyed population, while the male representation is lower compared to females. It is still a noteworthy portion of the survey group. The distribution among participants who responded to the survey, the data indicates a diverse range of age, with individuals aged 17 to 19 constituting 60%, and those aged 20 to 22 making up to 33.3%. This age group of 70 and 90% years comprises of the majority of survey respondents, and while not the majority, the 20 to 22 age group still represent a noteworthy portion of the respondents. But the 20 and the 22 age group represent individuals in the transactional phase between adolescence and adulthood. The pie chart examines the educational backgrounds of participants who responded to the survey, focusing on their level of study. The data indicates a mix of educational stage, with individuals at the foundation level comprising 20% of respondents, and undergraduates making up the majority at 73.3%, and the 20% of the representation are from the foundation level.
So for the first question for section B is, do you feel confident in your ability to communicate effectively with others? Most of respondents answer no, which means 53.3% said they were not, and the rest said yes, maybe because they consider in the survey do not have faith in their ability to communicate, like maybe because they had experienced difficulties with effective communication. So for the question number 2, what are some common challenges that university students face in communication? Most respondents, 70%, identify diverse background as the primary challenge. Maybe that because the belief that students from diverse background present a significant communication to the cultural diversity, linguistic variation, educational background, and social difference among college attendants that have the big challenge for them to communicate well. So for the question number 3, what is the most effective way to improve communication skill in university? According to the data, there are 2 primary strategies that are equally endorsed, each with 43.3%, which is actively engaging in public speaking opportunities such as speeches or presentation, and stressing the value of speaking slowly while avoiding superfluous jargon or complex language. So in this data show that these results highlight how people understand the importance of real-world experience and effective communication. Also, this show a preference for hands-on learning. So the next is question number 4. Why is it important to improve communication skill in university? The most respondent, which is 53.3%, choose to build positive network with professor, alumni, and potential employers. So in this case, maybe to build and maintaining a meaningful relationship in academic and professional domain. Like it also can help us for our future, maybe in workplace someday. So that's it.
Number 5, most respondents consist of 76.7% answered the question number 2, which is choose words that everyone can understand and avoid terms that might make some team members feel left out, while the lowest answer chosen are create an open environment where everyone feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and experience, and make sure each team member has a role that plays to their strengths so everyone feels valued. And both of these answers, which is 33.3%.
So for the question number 6, what strategy can team employ to effectively integrate technology in their communication process during group project? Most of respondents answer use instant polling to quickly gather options and preference from team members, facilitating quick decision making. This variable in situations where quick decisions are required to keep the project on track.
So we will talk about recommendation and strategy initiative for this topic. Okay, effective communication skills are a cornerstone of success in university and beyond. Targeted workshop dedicated to various communication facets like public speaking, active listening, and group discussion provide a comprehensive learning experience. Balancing theories and practice, this session enables students to actively refine their skill. Cultivating a culture of participation in classroom or group setting is equally crucial. Fostering an environment that encourage engaging discussion and collaborative project, significantly amplifying communication abilities. Okay, next, implementing this strategy is crucial because we targeted workshop to covering the diverse communication areas ensure a well-rounded learning experience, allowing students to actively refine their skill, fostering a participatory culture within classroom and group setting promotes confidence and engagement in communication. Integrating technology is the key. Well, we're having a user-friendly apps, virtual platform, or tailored software offer interactive learning experience and augmenting traditional method. Okay, so the example of user-friendly apps and virtual platform is like MS Team and MS Team, WhatsApp, and so on. So, integrating targeted communication workshop, encouraging participation, and incorporating technology create a holistic approach to elevate students' communication abilities. This strategy empowers students to effectively convey their ideas, fostering confidence and engagement. Embracing technology further enrich the learning experience, equipping students with the crucial communication skill for academic and future professional endeavors. So that's all from us.